Buhari wouldn't have won 2019 election because you wouldn't have had a spread. But all the states in the South made Buhari to have 25%. River State did not give Buhari 25%. I challenge anybody. Today, I see people talking about PDP. When we are supposed to have won election 2019 under Atiku, River State gave the highest vote. River State gave the highest support in terms of logistics. I say to that anybody, let anybody come and contradict me. And people are talking about PDP, that they are loyal. Look at them. Look at them. Look at them. So they were part in 2019 election. I told Atiku the other day, I said, you now, all those your governors that you think they are good with you, what happened in 2019? What happened? Nobody wants to see the truth.